Hi there, this is Mr. Z from Zombe Tutorials with a quick tip on how you can maximize your performance in the upcoming exam. Exam guidelines. It's important that each learner has an exam guideline. And exam guidelines are a summary of what is in the CAPS document, strictly stating what the examiners expect you to know in the particular subject. So it is important and it is vital that each learner has an exam guidelines at their disposal. So here is how you get this document. Just simply go to Google and then you're going to search exam guidelines and then you simply enter. And exam guidelines are available for all subjects. And again, here are the top websites that I recommend. You got education.cosa.gov.za, and then you've also got what the Western CAP Education Department that they've got their exam guidelines there, and that particular link that you prefer, and that is going to give you this. So you've got each and every topic that is listed. So I like life science, so I'm going to download the life science website. I'm going to download the life science exam guide. So there it is, Afrikaans and English. Then I'm going to take the English one. I click on it. Then I click on it. Then voila, the document is ready to be downloaded. And then I will keep emphasizing this. This is 0.49 megabytes. It is a very, very small file, which each and every one of us can get. So what I would advise is, let's try and get the data and use it right. And download the guidelines because they are really pivotal. Because let's just take a look at the life sciences. I know you're not doing life science, but whatever subject or content you're doing, just download for that particular subject. And then now when you have it, it's going to actually tell you what the examiners expect you to know. But remember, the CAPS document is the primary source where they're getting all this. So it's always, they like putting this disclaimer, and I think it's important that we take note of it. But sometimes they can leave out other things. So it's important that when you're reading the exam guidelines, always do it in conjunction with the CAPS document. But all the same, let's just go through this. So the exam guidelines is how you're going to use it. You're going to use it if you're done revising a particular topic. Make sure you come to the exam guideline and see if you've covered every aspect that they have. So for life sciences, these are the topics that they expect you to actually understand that are examinable. And then they come and then they give you notes, especially for content. They give you notes on what they want you to cover. We'll just do that. We'll just scroll down. We'll just scroll down and we'll show you what I'm talking about. Now the next, but before we get there, let's just take a look at this one. It says the format of the paper. It tells you that. So here the short questions for 50 marks. Then next you got a variety of questions, give you a total of 100 marks. And then it gives you a total for the particular paper, which is 150. And then it actually outlines the percentage distribution. So it's a very pivotal tool because it's loaded with lots of information. And then you've got what for your paper two, it gives you the weighting. So this is applicable to all subjects, whether it's business studies, whether it's agriculture, whether it is mathematics, all subjects, they give you this. So it's important that we have this. And then I wanted to show you this, especially on content subjects. Content subjects, they actually give you notes. Like here it says what? Location of DNA. It gives you notes. It must be present in the nucleus. So you can actually use this to compile your notes. Present in mitochondria. Present in what? In chloroplast. And then it comes down here again for DNA. It says what? Makes up genes which carry hereditary information. DNA contains photosynthesis. The exam guideline actually gives you notes and it gives you a short summary on what might be examined in the exam. So I believe it's very important for each and every learner to have this document, and it's freely available. As I showed you, you can simply just go on your Go on Google and search for it. Let me just get another exam guideline and show you how easy this thing is. So I expect all of us to have this and to use it maximally so that we can perform well. So here I'm on the Western Cape departmental websites, the education department. So there we have it there. So you can come, whether it is history, just take a look at history there. There you go, you got your exam guidelines for history. Then you click on it, and then the size is so small, guys. Any phone can have this. This one here, the history one, is only 0.33 megabytes. That's a very small one. Small file. Then you click on download, and then it will download. After downloading, save it, and then let's open it and run through again, and we'll see the same thing. It's a summative document that tells you what the examiners expect you to know so that you'll be able to excel in your exams. So again, there's the disclaimer. It's always important that you use this with the CAPS document, because the CAPS document has got more content and it's the primary source that the department will be using to draft up all their examination papers. So there we have it. And then it outlines how the question paper will be structured. And then it also comes and it gives you what exactly is going to be asked on the exam. So you just make sure you need to understand the civil society protests from the 1950s to the 1970s. And then it gives you the notes here. So if you're going to study that topic and you don't know the role and the impact and influence of Martin Luther Jr., then you are behind on it. So it's important that we utilize these papers effectively, because the examiners and the department are giving us this so that we can be able to be best prepared for the upcoming exams. So that's a quick tip that I just wanted to give us. It's important that we have examination guidelines for the subjects that we will be writing or sitting. Thank you for watching this quick video. I hope it will help you as you prepare to excel and to maximize your performance in the upcoming exam. This is Mr. Z from Zombe Tutorials signing out. Just a quick note, remember to like, comment, and share our content. And most of all, subscribe to our channel. Remember, you can do all things through Christ who gives you strength. Thank you for watching.